All right, guys. Okay, here we go. I'm here, guys. Let me know who else is here. This is on the unit circle. We're going to do question 10 for those of you who get this later on. On the unit circle shown in the diagram below, sketch an angle in standard position whose degree measure is 240 and find the exact value of the sine of 240. Again, a lot of this is simply just referencing the unit circle reference sheet. So 240 obviously is going to be in the second quadrant. So if I draw a little unit circle like that right here, oh man. Sorry it looks like that, guys, but second quadrant is going to be right here. So something like that is going to be 240, right? And so I'm looking at this, I'm saying, how do I do this? And they want the sine. Keep in mind that the sine represents the y value. So I go back to my unit circle. Go back to my unit circle. They wanted a sine of 240. Sorry, 240. Did I say it was in second quadrant? 240 is going to be in the third quadrant, guys. I'm so sorry. 240 is going to be in the third quadrant. It's because remember, it's a full 360 to get back to the original point, and 90 before 360 is going to be 270. So 240 is going to be in that range right after 180. Sorry about that, guys. So it's in the third quadrant. So at 240, they want to know the sine. The sine is going to be, again, the y value. So the sine is going to be negative radical 3 over 2. Negative radical 3 over 2. So answer for this one right here, negative radical 3 over 2. Remember, sine represents y. Next one says 11. In the accompanying diagram of circle 0, point 0 is the origin. YO equals 1, JO equals 1, TOY is a diameter. If the coordinates of point J are radical 2 over 2 and radical 2 over 2, how many degrees are in the measure of angle JOY? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look up my reference chart. I'm looking for radical 2 over radical 2, right? So right here, it's 45 degrees. Radical 2, 45 degrees. Simple. This is pretty easy, right? If theta is an angle in standard position and its terminal side passes through the point 1/2 radical 3 over 2 on a unit circle, a possible value of theta is what? It passes through the point 1/2 radical 3 over 2. Okay. 1/2 radical 3 over 2. Oh, so we're looking at 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Again, the chart tells us all. Let's go back. (13) If theta is an angle in standard position and its terminal side passes through negative 1/2 radical 3 over 2 on the unit circle, then a possible value of theta is what? Negative 1/2 radical 3 over 2. Negative 1/2 radical 3 over 2. So we're looking at 120 degrees. Again, I'm just looking at the reference chart. I believe they do give you this in the regions. Sorry, 120 is the answer. So, 14. In the accompanying diagram of a unit circle, the ordered pair negative radical 3 over 2, negative 1/2, represents the point where the terminal side of theta intersects the unit circle, right? As drawn. What is the measurement of angle theta? So that's essentially 180 plus that little tidbit right here, plus this little tidbit right there. So let's see, let's go. This is, look up the chart, right? Negative radical 3 over 2, negative 1/2. So we're looking at 210. 210 degrees. This is really easy. I believe this was on the worksheet I gave you guys. I have to double check. Going to update the worksheet I gave. I gave week 28. I just want to double check what they were, actually. Almost positive. It was on these topics. Yeah, okay. I did give you that. 320 sheet 1. This is up to 9. Actually, I'm doing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'll give you sheet 2 today. Yeah, give you sheet 2 today. Yeah, I'll update. Put some more sheets online today. Right? This is kind of a quiet class today. I guess people forgot that there are the live streams, but I guess they'll always go back and reference this. We did do 5 problems right now, so for the 2 people who are actually here, if there's any questions, please let me know, because if not, then I'm going to go print out the sheets, and then I'm going to, or 3 people who are actually here now, then I'm going to scan them and upload them. I'll also try to assign some more unit circle problems for study.com. Any questions? Please let me know before I go. And it's a little bit early today. I mean, Really, I only did like about 10, 11 minutes of class today. Anybody have a question? Remember, you also get your attendance marked here by letting me know who's in the room. Yeah, any questions at all? This is easy stuff, so. All right. I'm also gonna try to update the grades and schedule it today too. All right. All right, guys. I'm gonna log off.